We arrived to our destination. Ito po yung bahay na pupuntahan namin. We're in Brandon na. We're here. Finally, we're here. We're home. Dito na po kami. Ito yung kanilang bahay. Oh, naka-ready na ang aming ano. Yan yung aming kasama. Ready na po. Kainan na po, kainan na, nagugutom na yung mga bituka ko. Oh, sarap ng hangin.
Hello. Hello.
No.
Say hi, live.
Oh, it's alive.
It's alive. It's alive.
YouTube. Oh, picture. Okay. Picture pala yun, antay niyo. This is our food, steamed beans, ribs, also ribs. This is chicken breast with steamed beans again, and wow, chicken adobo, so yummy. Fried fish Gigi, galunggong. And of course, our Ilocano dish. There, pinakbet. Yeah. And here, wow. Duran, papaitan. And we are cooking some pancit. And of course, that's my friend Gerald. There you go.
Nakakaantok dito. Sarap matulog, oh.
Kainan na po. Nagutom po tayo, kaya kain na. Ayan po si ate. Oh, mga taga-Kamiling. Andyan, mga taga-Kamiling. Saan ka taga-Kamiling, ate?
Sa poblasyon.
Poblasyon. Oh, poblasyon. Si ate na, Kamiling din siya? Ate, Kamiling, saan kayo sa Kamiling?
Sa mismong town.
Down, ako sa Tuwak. Ako taga Tuwak, Kamiling, Tarlac.
Agpalaod.
Agpamaynila.
Agpamaynila.
Yeah, Agpamaynila po yung sa amin. Mayantok naman yun, sa baryo yun. Taga Bumbundok yun. Ayun po yung taga Bumbundok.
I know.
Taga Bumbundok yan. Kami
sa kanila.
Oo. Kami po yung taga Kamiling. Malapit sa bayan sila ate. Oh, sa Aki on the way. Oh, yan.
Walking distance.
Banding-banding po kami. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Rapid City, Manitoba, close to Brandon.
Sige, tayo mo. I can swim in.
Yeah, look at our beautiful driver here. Yeah, hola. Oh, hola, hola. We're going to the beach.
Later. But now let's drop this.
Yes.
Many
She's going to give us a tour. See how beautiful she is.
She's pretty. It's good in your place in
Saan? Ah, sa park.
Say hi, Mars.
Ano, maglakad tayo doon, Mars, oh. Punta natin yung tulay doon. Mag-ano lang sila sa park. Dito tayo. Doon sa tulay na yun. At Mars, oh, hanging bridge. Maganda. Dito siguro dadaan sa ano na yan, oh. Straight.
This is the man-made lake. Wow, look at them. Ayan po, we're about to go home. Pauwi na po kami.
Vloggers.
Vlogger, we're just going home. This is our beautiful host, Ina. Yes.
May sauce.
Thank you for having us.
It will go all over the place now. Your picture.
in the YouTube. Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. Thank you for having us, Ina. Yeah. That's a little swimming pool.
Ganda is already there.